Hey, welcome to Travel Check-ins with Saidah and Germaine. Today we're taking you inside our trip to one of the most fascinating destinations in the world, Dubai. In this video, you'll see where we stayed for free. We'll also give you some ideas for where to eat, and we'll share what we did in this amazing city where luxury meets adventure. And if you want to learn how you can stay at hotels in Dubai for free using points and miles, subscribe because we have 2 amazing videos coming up. First, we want to start with what you need to know before you go. So as far as weather goes and the best time to visit, I will say what most people expect: Dubai is hot. If you're visiting between June and September, expect extreme heat. We have never gone in those months. But the best time to visit is November to March for cooler temperatures and outdoor activities. The month that we were here were in February, and the weather was amazing. I think the low was about 60 at night and about 80, 85 during the day. So very, very nice temperatures for a visit. Now, also keep in mind that Dubai is a modern city, but it still has, their own cultural norms that you want to expect. So in malls and public spaces, modest attire is encouraged, but at resorts in the beach areas, it's really more relaxed. So one way you also want to prepare for your trip is you want to download the apps that we use, like Uber, Careem for taxis, and Talabat for food deliveries. And Talabat works also for grocery deliveries. We did a food delivery with Talabat, and I think we got something off of our first order, and we also did a grocery delivery to our hotel room, and we also got something off of our first order. And then also you can use credit cards, they're widely accepted. So let's start off with where we ate. One of the places we ate was called Habib Beirut, and it's like authentic Lebanese cuisine. Take a listen at what our experience was like. So this is the place that we ordered from in Dubai. It's called Habib Beirut Lebanese Cuisine. They are on Instagram, and they are also on the World Wide Web. Let's see. So they have multiple locations. They're in these places here. Germaine and I ordered the beef shawarma for 49 AED and the chicken shawarma for 25 AED for a total of 105 AED. Actually, no, we got some discounts, and it was 90 AED. All right, I think this is the, what is this?
Fries, that's the one that
So French fries, Germaine ordered. So Germaine ordered the chicken shawarma sandwich with French fries. This looks like some kind of sauce. I don't know what kind. Another sauce. Oh no, this is the chicken shawarma sandwich. Oh, what is this? Is this mine?
I think so. What's in here?
I don't know. Open it. This may be all the condiments.
Okay. I thought yours came with fries, no?
Wow.
What?
They ain't give me no fries? I thought mine did come with... Oh, man, they jipped me.
I thought they did come with fries, right?
Jermaine, this is like bread in here.
Yeah, I thought it was supposed to come with
Oh,
fries.
man, they did wrong. So Jermaine's about to take a look because I think I was supposed to have French fries with mine. At least the picture showed French fries, and they gave me bread with more bread, and I don't need all of this bread. Okay, guys, so yeah, I didn't get my fries. Instead, I think they gave me some bread. So this is the chicken shawarma with chili paste. We'll see how that tastes. I think this is ketchup. All right, Germaine, so you gotta let us know how you like it.
It's great.
It is?
Yeah.
So I thought this was ketchup, and I put it, but it's
That's
actually
yours,
chili
huh?
paste. Yes, that's mine. So this is the chicken shawarma. That red sauce is chili sauce. Is lettuce in here and chicken, and it's inside of a wrap. So I'm gonna give it a taste and see.
I ain't seen it.
Piece of fat. I don't like fat. But it's good. It's flavorful. It's not like super flavorful. It seems like it could have had some more flavor to it, but yeah, but it does taste flavorful. It tastes like it got the chili powder in there. It does taste like not chili powder but chili paste. It tastes like it has some like seasoning to it. It is good. Man, Jermaine like salt. So I feel like I could have used a little bit more salt. But other than that, it's good, right, babe? Okay. So we asked them to put the onions, the pickles, and the lettuce and stuff on the side. They didn't, but it's okay. We asked them, can they, right? In the notes. But I just tasted the pickle, and the pickle is actually good. Now I'm about to taste this. I don't know. It said like almost like tartar sauce, but I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. That's sour. It's good, but it's sour. Let me try it again. It's like some kind of white sauce. It actually reminds me of tzatziki. This is for your unwrap.
Yeah, I got some in there already.
You did?
I told you it was in there. Yeah, you ain't paying me no attention there.
I thought you said that's garlic.
Whatever that is.
This is not garlic.
Oh.
This is something different. That's what I was saying. This probably would taste good on the sandwich. All right, now I'm gonna try this beef. It's like a beef. It's supposed to be a beef shawarma. So I'm not sure why it's not wrapped up as a shawarma. Because we ordered the chicken. We ordered the chicken shawarma and the beef shawarma. And so my fries didn't come with it. But I'm not gonna hold that against them because the chicken shawarma was good. But just keep in mind, you might not get all your food when you order. And then this little, I think it's like parsley, tomato, and onion. I'm gonna put that on there. So this bread also came with it. So I'm gonna take this bread and I'm actually gonna take some of this beef and put it in the bread. I'm gonna take some of this. Jermaine doesn't eat onions, so he's not gonna eat that.
It is hot.
It is a little spicy. No, actually.
We don't have no fork or nothing.
Nope, no forks.
Oh, hands.
And then I'm gonna put some of this white sauce on it. And then I'm gonna put some chili. So this is the chili sauce. I'm gonna try to put a little bit on there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna try it. That's what it looks like.
I like the white sauce better than the red sauce.
You do?
Yeah, it's not super hot, the red sauce, but it's more flavorful.
Right, it's like it adds a little different flavor to what's inside the wrap. I told you the white sauce was good. You acting up. But the beef is good. It's got mild flavor to it. It's savory, but not just like busting out with flavor. The meat is tender. It's good. I'd say it's good. One of the next places we ate was Grill Shack, and Grill Shack was inside the Dubai Mall. So if you're craving like a really good burger, that's definitely a place to go. I'm not a real big burger fan, but I did try the burger there. I was gonna try their basic burger, but our waiter, he kind of talked me into going ahead and getting the Wagyu burger, and it did not disappoint. It was delicious. It was juicy, and it was even a little bit of pink inside my burger, and it was still good. Take a listen at our review of our experience at Grill Shack.
Yes! Very, very
Oh, that looks good. Cheese is nice and melty.
Like a smoky kind of.
The Grill Shack.
Right there.
That looks really, really good.
There's some other sauce on it. I don't know what that is.
I saw it.
It's like a barbecue.
All right, this is Jermaine's first bite.
Different? Different how?
You can tell it's a quality.
Really? So it tastes good?
Yeah, it does.
Good. So this is the receipt, guys. That was 252 dirham, and that is $73.16 for 2 Wagyu burgers, 2 smoothies or juice, and 2 fries.
So now let's talk about how Germaine and I got around in Dubai. We use Uber. Uber got us everywhere we needed to go, but we also used the metro. So this was our second time in Dubai. The first time we did it, go ahead and get a little adventurous, and we took the train around the city. I highly recommend getting on the train, but just don't do it during rush hour, because rush hour is when there's going to be so many people around. It's going to be super crowded. But one thing I would say, if you've been in New York City during rush hour, the Dubai metro is a lot like that, but way more organized, much more cleaner, and zero drama. Let's jump into what Germaine and I did when we were in Dubai. So we're really chill, we're really laid back. We don't really get into too much. But another thing we did was we went to the Dubai Mall, and there are 2 ways you can get to the Dubai Mall that makes the most sense. You can go ahead and take an Uber, or you can take the metro. We love, like I said, to take the train because you get to see a lot of the different sites while you are on the train. And when you go to Dubai Mall in the evening, you can also get a chance to see the Burj Khalifa. All right, folks, we're out here. We're going to check out the Burj Khalifa. This is the second time we've been out here. But I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see.
See the bottom and all that. So they designed it where you could have the fountains and everything.
And so we found out today that these are primarily residences, that there's one hotel inside the Burj Khalifa and one restaurant, and the rest are residences. And I think it's 100 and how many floors?
I forgot.
132 floors, I believe. And again, residences, y'all. People live inside of the Burj Khalifa. So the fountain show is starting behind us.
That we stayed was the Palm Jumeirah, I think it's Jumeirah beach area. So we stayed at the Palm Jumeirah beach area, and that's really the part of Dubai that the beach was actually made to resemble a palm tree. There's beautiful views, and it's just a nice place to just relax and enjoy the water. I think it was a little breezy when we went out in the evening. But if you go out during the daytime, you can really enjoy yourself. There are people out there on jet skis. There's just a lot of people out there just doing different activities. Some people out there just relaxing. But it's definitely one of those places that people want to go when they're in Dubai. So let's now jump into where we stayed. And the first place we stayed was the Andaz Dubai, the Palm Jumeirah. So this particular hotel is very, very nice, very, very luxurious. I mean, everything in Dubai is kind of luxurious, right? But this hotel is very luxurious, and it has really nice views of the water, the beach. It's kind of got that Miami South Beach kind of vibe to it. It's beachfront, it's very stylish, and it offers up a great relaxing stay. I spent a lot of my time up at the pool, and we are going to do a full review on this hotel because we stayed at this hotel 2 nights, I think it was. Yes, 2 nights. We stayed on our second night in Dubai and our last night in Dubai, and we stayed both times absolutely free. And again, if you guys want to know how you can stay for free at this hotel, make sure you subscribe because we're going to have a video coming up to share that with you. So the other hotel that we stayed at was the Hyatt Regency Dubai Creek Heights. And this particular hotel has a more city vibe. It's more budget friendly. It's more, I think, relaxed. But the one thing we love about this hotel is that it has easy city access. So when you stay at the Andaz Dubai Palm Jumeirah, it's harder to get on the metro and get to the different malls. The Andaz Dubai Palm Jumeirah, they did have a like a shuttle, but the timing on it was not really it was not really efficient, because I think it was like an hour and a half to get to the mall, and then it's 15 minutes to get back from the mall. And the reason why it's an hour and a half to the mall is because the shuttle is stopping at different hotels along the way. They're stopping at different beachfront hotels, and then they're taking you to the mall. And then on the way back, they're leaving directly from the mall and bringing you right back to the hotel, which is why it's 15 minutes coming back, but an hour and a half, I think, to an hour and 45 minutes to get there. So we just did Uber. But with the Hyatt Regency Dubai Creek, it's very city friendly, because you can walk from the Hyatt Regency Dubai Creek over to the train, and that train can take you to pretty much anywhere in the city. And like I said, when you're on the train, you can see a lot of the major sites that are in Dubai. So it's more affordable, and it has easy city access, and you can stay for free using points and miles. So we use travel hacking strategies to make our trips affordable. And if you want to know more about that, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Travel Check-ins, and Beyond Travel Check-ins, where we're going to deep dive into how you can stay at hotels for free too.